So today's video is going to be creating this look using this palette. So I got given this off my friend, so I was excited to try it out, and I've used it loads, so I thought I'd do a video to show you guys how I used what's inside this to create this. So if you like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and enjoy. So today I'm using this palette and it's so pretty. I probably love it. My friend Anissa gave it me, so thank you very much, Anissa. So I'm going to do my eye look today using this. So I'm going to start off with a transition shade here, and I'm going to be using this shade. Smack myself in the face. I'm going to blow it off because the fallout, there is quite a lot of it. So I'm going to pat this in here. And bring it up just a little bit. Just slow, like really light motions, like tapping. You don't want to put too much pressure on there, else it's just going to be a big old mess, basically. So I'm going to go in with this colour, and I'm just going to pop it pretty much where I've just popped the other shade. And this is Love Potion. So I'm just lightly tapping it in there because I don't want it to be, because it is a really bright shade, I don't want it to be too in your face, bright pink eyes. I don't look like Barbie basically. So it's sort of going that way into. So using this brush and heart eyes, I'm going to do the inner corners of my eye. It's not picking up much, pop some more on my brush. That's better. And this shade here isn't very pigmented either, as you can probably tell. I'm quite struggling to get the actual colour onto the lid. So I'm just going to keep building it up until it's where I want it to be at. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm just going to grab this blending brush and just blend the colours together just so it looks more seamless. I'm just going in little circular motions with that, so they're all nicely blended. So now going into a heartbreaker, and I'm using this little brush. I'm just going to pack it right onto the brush, so I've got quite a lot of product on there. Don't want any loads of part, so I'm just gonna pop this right in the centre and just bring it up a bit. So I've got a nice shimmer going on. And I'm just going to keep adding more till I'm happy with the shininess. Yes, I'm quite happy with that, so I'm just going to grab a little blending brush and just blend it on these bits. A bit more on there, taking a bit too much away. So I'm going to do the lower lash line now, and I'm going to go in with heart eyes on this brush, and I'm just going to bring that onto the lower lash line, blend it in together on there, and the same at this side, but I'm not going to blend it together in with that because I'm going to pop a bit of highlighter on there, otherwise it's going to cloaker. And now I'm going to go into the Heartbreaker, which is the shimmery shade that we've got, and I'm going to pop that right here. Blend them together. And then just using my finger, I'm literally just going to drag it down a little bit. Not too much, just really lightly. Just sort of blending it together at the same time. So I've added a bit of liner and some lashes, and obviously done the rest of my makeup. I'm quite happy with this look. Although some of the shades aren't quite as pigmented as the others, I do really still rate the palette. So let me know what you think down in the comments down below, and enjoy your day, guys. Bye!